Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana summary projects to view important tasks. This is a powerful way to consolidate tasks from multiple projects into a single focused view, making it easier to track high priority items without switching between boards. First, head over to your Asana workspace. Once you're in, look for the plus new project button, which you'll find either on the sidebar or in the top menu. Click on it to begin creating your summary project. From the options that appear, select Blank Project to start with a clean slate. This gives you full control over what you want to include. Next, you'll need to name your project, type something clear and descriptive like important tasks or priority overview. This helps you quickly identify it later when you're working across multiple projects. After naming it, choose your preferred project layout. List view is highly recommended here because it provides clarity and makes it easy to scan through tasks at a glance. Once you've made your selection, click Create Project to finalize the setup. Now comes the part where you start pulling tasks into your summary project. Open another project that contains tasks you want to include. Browse through and select the task or tasks you'd like to add. If you need to select multiple tasks at once, simply hold down the Shift key and click on each task. This makes the process much faster and more efficient. Once you've selected your tasks, look at the bottom part of your screen. A pane will appear with several options. Click on the icon that looks like a list with a small plus icon next to it. This opens up the Task Action menu. From there, choose Add to Project. A list of your existing projects will appear. Select your summary project from this list, and the task will now be linked to both its original project and your new summary project. This means any updates made to the task will reflect in both places. Finally, navigate back to your summary project. You'll now see all the tasks you've selected from various projects collected in one place. This centralized view makes it incredibly easy to focus on what matters most without losing track of important work scattered across different boards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.